And welcome everybody, business talk on 29 November. Let's start step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like on are going to for hours update. So let's see the price that would be next on 29 November. If we had this type of movements, let's go for the business stock. Okay, 0 to 1 USD. So we wanted to go for the second part, which is going to be this part, and I think it's going to be about 3 USD and 80 cents. Here is going to be 12 USD and 81 cents. So that's going to be the circle that is going to make such intersection that leads to the increase in momentum. So the next part that we should take care about is going to be this increase until it reaches this level. We use the circle here and increasing in momentum.